How to write fraction in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. After you have opened Microsoft Word, at the top, simply click on Insert. In Insert, you will find Equation. Click on it, which will expand all these options for you. In here, click on Insert New Equation. Then, at the top, you'll find different options. Click on Fraction at the top. You'll find different options of fraction as well. Select the one you prefer. Then, type in the number you want to add at the top. Then, simply go down and type in the number down as well. And this is how to write fraction in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.